and a talented heroine, a huge team of film producers, directors, art directors on a huge, beautiful bridge, ready to have the cameras on to start their beautiful song, a hit song of Bollywood, to be shot on that bridge, an amazing bridge, Brooklyn Bridge. When they were walking on that bridge, when they were trying to shoot, it amazed them. What is this bridge? Who might have constructed it? How much of hard work behind this huge construction, Brooklyn Bridge? My dear students, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another powerful motivation. The man behind, rather I can say the men behind, but the one who conceived this in his mind is John Ramling. He planned to construct a beautiful bridge connecting New York and Long Islands in United States of America. When he has taken this proposal to various people, saying that it is my desire to have a beautiful bridge connecting these two, people laughed at him. They mocked at him. They said it's an impossible task. It's a wild goose chase. Leave it off. He didn't give up. He thought, okay, I'm going to do alone. I'm not going to take anyone's help. He has his son as stubborn as him, Mr. Washington. They both started making thousands and thousands of maps of constructing this Brooklyn Bridge. When this was in the construction phase, a major accident, John Ramling died. When it is halfway, and son Washington was physically injured. He lost arms, legs. He became an immovable state, bedridden, physically zero, mentally full alert. He can't. He has to depend on people. Everyone thought, okay, this is the end of this project. It was began, but it will never going to finish. Everyone discouraged, but the strong will that I have to take my father's vision forward. I have to do something. And he started giving signs with his finger, twitching it on the arms and writing, showing this is what to his wife, Washington. 13 years he guided wife how to guide the engineers at the construction site. That's how this Brooklyn Bridge has come into life. Father started, son on the bed completed. No one can stop. This is what called willpower, a self-restraint, a determination. No one can change us, no one can stop us. Continue to exercise your will. It will take you to higher. That's the motivation. Continue to exercise your will. We all have our will. We take a cycle and just cycle for 2 minutes and we fall down, we keep it aside. Okay, why unnecessary bruises on my knees? I'll walk. Give up so easily. You take one task, you start it. Any task, at first day or third day, you will get some disturbances and obstruction. People will strongly come and suppress, tell, what is this? Stop it. It's okay. It takes away your peace of mind. Don't do this. But it is your vision and you have to take it with your own willpower. It is not all the time the skill which makes you to higher places. skill which takes you to higher places, skill which makes you a successful. It is not the skill, it is the will of your mind. We need to have that strong willpower. Then only we can make impossible can be turned into possible. Where people think it is not possible, but it is possible with our will. And we need to exercise it every day. Just like how you exercise to be physically fit, mentally strong, you need to exercise. You need to always pat yourself. It's all right. There will be disturbances, but this is my vision. This is my aim. I have to go with my strong will. Though it pains, though it aches, physically I may be bruised, physically I may be hurt, but mentally I should be strong to take my vision forward with a big team. Mr. Mahadev Dekho, Assam bodybuilding. When he wanted to be a world champion, he was on the bed for heart problem. 3 months, when doctor said he has a severe heart problem. When everyone thought, okay, he can never be doing this. Bodybuilding needs lot of physical stamina, power, strength. After 3 months, when doctor said, you are quite all right, go, continue. Strong will. Then when people asked when he won the world championship in 2000s, when people asked, when you were on the bed, when you suffered heart strokes, what was your feeling? He said, I don't have any feeling. I'm strong-willed. I know one day I get up from the bed and I become the world champion. Pride of India is an Assam man. There are many stories of exercising our will to achieve and go to higher places. Nothing is impossible for us when we have the will to make things possible. Think about this wonderful quote, a motivation for today to make us go on in spite of many difficulties during these days of pandemic. Let us make our will, our exercising our will, make it strong. Let us be determined with strong willpower to achieve what we really want. Don't settle for ordinary things. Don't compromise for ordinary things when you have the ability to exercise your will to achieve higher goals. Take care, be blessed, have a nice day.